I've really enjoyed the opportunity and experience throughout my training and career to be a team physician. Currently the head team physician for the Houston SaberCats Major League Rugby club, which is a professional rugby team here in Houston, Texas. We're now in our 3rd season, and I really enjoy the camaraderie of the sports team and arena. One of the really just great sort of joys of being an orthopedic surgeon is seeing athletes you've treated get back into the kind of arena of competition and return to the sports that they love. And that's something I really try to bring to kind of everybody that I see in the office and all the people that we operate on who participate in sports or other activities at different levels. I was fortunate even in medical school and residency to get some exposure to sports, NYU basketball, for example, and then in my fellowship to work with the athletic trainers and sports surgeons with all the professional teams, the Houston Texans, Astros, Rockets, Dynamo, and the University of Houston, and several high schools. I attended the National Football League Combine that year and spent a week in Florida in spring training, and just being able to sort of monitor and understand what an athlete does at that level day to day, and then to be able to bring that into practice, and then to be able to bring that back to athletes at all levels, or really people of all different kind of levels of physical activity and sports habilitation, really trying to make that experience kind of bring that to bear on your treatment to get you the best possible outcome when you recover from your surgery.